Alright, so we're going to take another little closer look at the Entourage. We just inserted this SAT file in here. So let's take a look at how you can update this. If you go to your object styles, so I'm going under my Manage tab, Object Styles. The SAT comes in as an imported object. So if I go to the Imported Objects tab, you're going to see that there's a 0 in here, and that's our woman. So I'm going to select her, rename her to woman 4, and I'm going to change her projection line to 1 and apply, and you'll see she'll get thin. And then you could also come in and, if you wanted to, change the line color to white, and that way she would come out all white. But now you can't see her down below. So maybe you just want to go to the material that's applied to her. So if we go to this render material 255, we rename it Entourage Woman 4. Right, and then we could change the appearance of her, change the color of her to blue. Okay. You could make her slightly transparent if you wanted to. So you could turn on transparency a little bit, apply, click OK. Make sure this is set to use render appearance. Click OK. Apply, and you can see there she is. Now you could change the outline again, to something that was similar. So she looks. Now one thing that is unusual about these is if you want to move this up and down, she's actually hosted to level 1, so she won't move up and down here. To get her to move up and down, you have to select her, go to Edit Inplace, select, and then move her down and up. Okay, so I can move her down where she's kind of sitting. And you want to make sure to either finish or cancel. So finish the model, and now you're back. Okay. Now you can place other Entourage. If you scroll down to your families, there's Entourage, and the RPC females are in here. The only thing I would caution you about these is that they do have a line in them. So if you bring Lisa in, let's just put Lisa right in there. We'll zoom in. Actually, Lisa looks pretty good, so they've improved on some of these. So let's take Tina, place her in there. See what Tina looks like. I think if we go to hidden line, you're going to see a line in Tina. So this other one is actually pretty good. So that's not too bad. The other thing is that this one will render whatever the material is. These are going to render photorealistic. So sometimes that's not something that you really want to have happen. So anyway, you can load more Entourage by going to Insert, Load Family. And there's an Entourage folder, and you have males and chairs and beetles and stuff that you can also import. Okay. Alright, so that's it for Entourage.